Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos, and I'm going to start this project off with this Dollar Tree shelf. It's shaped like a house with a little shelf lip on the bottom, and I'm going to paint that whole shelf with the color Vintage White. And I did the front, the back, the sides, the bottom, the whole shebang. And then I am going to take this scrapbook paper that I got at Hobby Lobby. It came in one of the scrapbook paper packs. And I'm going to lay the house down and then trace the scrapbook paper out. So I just kind of hung the shelf over the corner of my desk and then made sure that I got it correctly. And now I'm just going to cut that out. And then once I have it cut out, I'm just going to make sure that I did a good job and it fits. And then I'm going to add some Mod Podge and attach that scrapbook paper. And the paper that comes in the packs is a little bit thicker, so I made sure that I did a little bit of a thick coat of Mod Podge. Not too thick, enough for it to dry quickly, but enough for it to hold that paper, because the paper in those packs seems to be a little bit thicker than the stuff than you get on the racks. Once I had all the Mod Podge on, I'm just going to lay that scrapbook paper down, smooth it all out with my hands, make sure that it's even, and then I'm just going to let that dry. So I just used my heat gun and helped it along a little bit. Once it was dry, I'm going to sand off the excess around the edges. And once that is dry, I'm going to set that aside, and I'm going to take this bottle brush tree that I got at Target, and I'm going to paint just the base of it with the color Thicket. I picked a color that matched the color of the snowflakes on the scrapbook paper. So I'm just going to go around real quick and make sure that that's all covered with that color. Just add another pop of color out in the front where I'm going to put this. So I'm going to, once it's dry, I'm going to glue that to the shelf on one side, and then I'm going to take this deer from Dollar Tree and I'm going to glue that on the other side. So I'm just going to put little spots of glue on all of his legs and then put that on the side over here. And then I'm going to take this little, it's like a tart pan jello mold. It's a little one that I got at a thrift store, and I'm just going to add that right in between those, and I'm going to put a candle in that. So that's going to be a little candle holder. And I thought it was just the perfect shape and size for this. Next, I'm going to take some faux snow, and I'm going to add it all around the bottom of the shelf, right underneath the deer, all around the tree. I even added some onto the little tart pan, even onto the base of the tree, go all the way around. You can do as thick or as small of a coat as you want. Next, I'm going to add some to the roof eaves. So I'm just going to take some and dab it on. I'm just using a paintbrush to add this. This is Aleene's Glitter Snow. Then I am going to take and add some glitter to it. Some more glitter. And look how cute that looks. Next, I'm going to take this snowflake that came from Dollar Tree also, and I'm going to add some faux snow to that. I added the faux snow to this to cover up the hole that had it for a hanger on the tree. So now you can't see it because it's covered with the snow. I'm going to get that all covered with the snow. Just kind of give it a textured look. It already has a really pretty sparkle to it. And then I am going to glue that right to the back. So I'm going to glue that right here. So I'm kind of getting my placement, figuring out where I want it. And then just add some hot glue. And then put that in right about there. Kind of break up the scrapbook paper background and add some more sparkle to that side. Next, I took 3 little pearl beads. And I'm just going to kind of set those underneath the deer into the snow. And the snow will hold those on. And then I'm going to add some faux snow right on top of those. I also added 2 more of these to the bottom of the tree base. And then finally, I am going to add my candle once everything is all dry and this project is finished. I think this turned out so super cute. I love the winter look of it. It can be left out all season long, and it is truly absolutely beautiful. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this inspires you to make one. And as always, don't forget to spread the chaos.